I don't know if I got it. Monorail. Just hanging out, walking around the Grand Floridian, looking for leaves. Leaves! Where are you? Right, Sandy? Sandy. Shooting. No. So, we made it to the Polynesian, but I'm still looking for leaves. Where? Still no sign of leaves. Maybe Tim Trackers. But leaves? Leaves? Have you seen leaves? Huh? That guy over there, that guy? I need to talk to him. I don't want to. He's scary looking. Okay, so we looked around the Polynesian for leads, couldn't find her, so well, we're just gonna carry on looking for leads. Leads? Ooh. Okay, leads? Ooh. Leads. Hi, how you doing?
Jimi.
Gimpy?
Jimi.